In the high-stakes race for artificial intelligence, the world has been focused on the silicon wall and the power wall. But in 2026, big tech has hit a new, more visceral barrier, the water wall. For decades, air cooling was enough to keep the cloud afloat. But the new titans of compute, the Nvidia H100S and the B200 Blackwells, run at temperatures that would melt a standard server rack. To survive, they've transitioned to liquid cooling, turning these data centers into what experts now call industrial straws. A single hyperscale AI complex now consumes up to 5 million gallons of water every single day. To put that into perspective, that is the same daily requirement as a town of 50,000 people. While we type prompts into a chat box, these facilities are silently draining the lifeblood of the American heartland. From the parched aquifers of Arizona to the vast underground basins of Texas and Iowa, the competition for survival is no longer between tech giants. It's between the local farmer and the machine. In 2026, the cloud is no longer a metaphor. It is a physical, thirsty empire, and it is drinking us dry. Publicly, the world's most valuable company paints a picture of a green, water-positive future. But behind the glass walls of Redmond, the math is telling a different, more desperate story. In a rare moment of transparency, or perhaps a slip of the mask, the Microsoft disclosure has sent shockwaves through the 2026 infrastructure market. The internal projections are staggering. Microsoft has admitted that to keep its AI dreams alive, its global water consumption is set to surge by 150% by the year 2030. We are no longer talking about cooling a few servers. We are talking about a thirst that reaches 18 billion liters annually. This is where the corporate promise meets the physical reality. While big tech PR departments pledge to replenish more water than they use, their engineering teams are frantically building systems that consume it faster than the Earth can provide. This corporate hypocrisy has created a new, lethal permitting risk. From the suburbs of London to the high plains of the U.S., local governments have stopped listening to the promises. They are looking at their own shrinking reservoirs and doing the one thing big tech didn't prepare for. They're saying no. $10 billion data center projects, once the crown jewels of local development, are being blocked in 2026 because there simply isn't enough water for both the AI and the community. The cloud is finally meeting its match, the local tap. While the world was distracted by the war for GPUs, a secondary, more profitable gold rush was quietly forming in the shadows of the data center. Welcome to the $16 billion liquid cooling explosion. The math is simple, and the trajectory is vertical. In 2025, the market for data center liquid cooling sat at a respectable $5 billion. By 2030, that number is projected to skyrocket past $16 billion. Why? Because we have reached the absolute thermal limit of air. You cannot cool a 100 kilowatt AI rack with fan. It's like trying to put out a forest fire with a squirt gun. This is the ultimate alpha play for 2026. If you want to invest in AI, you don't just buy the chips, you buy the picks and shovels that keep them from melting. We are talking about the industrial giants like Verge and Schneider Electric, the architects of the heat sink economy. The innovation is moving fast. From direct-to-chip systems that deliver coolant with surgical precision to massive industrial chillers, and even subsea data center modules that use the entire ocean as a natural heat sink. Big tech is no longer just fighting for your data. They are fighting for the cold. And in this gold rush, the one who controls the chill controls the future. For a century, the world fought over oil. But in 2026, the most strategic resource on the planet isn't found in a pipeline. It's found in a reservoir. We are entering the era of water sovereignty, where the survival of the local farmer is now in direct conflict with the expansion of the global machine. The map of the AI revolution is being redrawn by a single, terrifying statistic. Nearly 40% of existing data centers are currently located in regions of high or extreme water stress. In the American Southwest, the cloud is quite literally drinking the future of agriculture. This is no longer a tech debate. It is a resource war. This is the hidden catalyst behind the Great Northern Migration. While Silicon Valley struggles to negotiate for every gallon, nations like Norway and Sweden are surging ahead. They have something the desert can never buy: glacial cooling. In the Arctic, water isn't a scarce commodity, it's an infinite heat sink. By using frigid glacial runoff to cool their clusters, these nations can run the world's most powerful AI models without taking a single drop from a local farm. In 2026, the winners of the AI race won't be decided by who has the most chips, but by who has the coldest water. The North isn't just winning, it's becoming the new capital of the digital world. I spend 40 hours a week researching these industrial bottlenecks, so you don't have to. If that's a trade you're willing to make, hit that subscribe button to join our next briefing.